Hello, this is Shrikant, aka Shrek DJ. Today I'm gonna talk about the types of tags in HTML. As you can see, there are two tags. There are two types of tags. One is paired and other one is unpaired tags. So first we are gonna say what are the paired tags. Like as you already seen them, but I just give an example like this. A tag, content and tag, where it is open between the between it is content, and at last it is a closing tag. Tag open, content and closes, and whole item is an element. Okay, this is a clear example of pair tags. After that, second is unpaired tags. Unpaired tags means they these tags don't need any pair to close, like they auto close themselves like this. BR tag, which is used for new line. Normally I will explain it about it later. Okay, as you can see, this tag is auto closing, like it does not need to close closing tag at all, like this. See, don't need any closing tags. uh, okay, I just give another example of like that. Like if you want to add some horizontal line, firstly we change the title of the websites. Okay, okay. So what I was saying, if we want to add an horizontal line after our heading, which is code with Shrek DJ. Okay, like at here, a horizontal line. See, but only typing the horizontal line does not create it. I show you example, something like this. See, at here, a horizontal line, something similar or actually similar. Horizontal line is created with an HR tag. You can write it like this or like this. Both will be valid. This like this or like this. Okay. So this is an horizontal tag, and it auto closes itself. It is unpaired tag also. Example of unpaired tag. Okay. There is also an other tags, like if you want to add a new line at here or at here, before this dol ctamate. Okay, just go it here, and if we add an extra space, it does not add any new line at here. For new line we have to add break, which is normally called as line break. Okay, so it is just similar to in a word files break. Line break adds a break at the document or our website or web document. See, these are the basic types of tags in HTML. It is very simple, it is not so complicated. As example, and in pair tags, the closing tag is mandatory. It cannot work, or it will show errors sometimes while you edit it. And unpaired tag, you can close them if you want to, but there is no necessary, or there is nothing gonna change it. Okay, so this is how you can understand the types of tags, which are paired tags and unpaired tags. There are two major types of tags, not elements or tags. Okay, this is how you can write a tag. See, and if you like it, like the button, and if you dislike it my video, and subscribe if you want any other same videos. Bye.